currently sanitizing these. Well, they are good. They're like good to go because they've been sanitized most of today. This is in order. I've been doing this for about a minute now. So put my Truvy up. Oh yes, I have an update for you guys too. For a True Vision update. Oop. This is my very last pack, as we say. Hey, look at that. This is a big order that I have to do. And I'm going to prep this order for you guys. I'm going to show you all my packages in just a second because this is what Black Friday feels like, I guess. And I have to make some more lip glosses tomorrow. So this is my clear lip gloss as we speak. And these have been sanitized for a day. So it takes usually a day. And my favorite movie is on The Lion King. So you guys, it is going to be available on my website for the entire month. So you guys, clear. It looks so good. So right now I'm going to be on the website as we see, doing some other stuff. And then I'm going to be getting back with you guys. Alright everyone, so I just got to finish getting this order prep, you guys. These are my clear glosses. These are Cocoa Slay and Hot Fudge. Oh my gosh. Ruby D is in there. Then you have Gold Rush. And then Purple Fantasies. Woo! Good morning everyone. So it's pre-Thanksgiving, so it's like Thanksgiving Eve, and right now I just woke up. Like I had a lot of sleep, like I just slept in, and you guys, it's like 10:51. I'm in the process of gelling my scalp. Like look, my scalp gets like that all the time. Like no matter if I have braids, if I don't have braids, my scalp just be extra. But good morning everyone, it's like morning, and I said let me start the vlog off with saying hello to my people. What's up? Castor oil, I'm about out. That's how much oil I use on a daily. So I'm just gonna take some of this castor oil and run it through my scalp because I just got these braids and I want these braids to last. So I just did my hair. Got it like up, you know, just got my little scalp treatment going on. Oh my gosh, the circle is real. Hey guys, it's 12 p.m. and I'm going to the bowling alley today. Actually, my friend guy's birthday is today and he turns 30. We're not a couple, but he turned 30 today, so we're gonna turn up at the bowling alley, and he's gonna go to dinner with his family, and then we're gonna go bowling out. We're not official, so don't freak out. Like, why are you not going to the dinner? Because I'm not his girlfriend. We're just friends. So I wear my lip gloss. Well, my lip mask. I have a lip mask that I wear if I don't want nothing too much on my lips. I just love the products that I use. You guys, for my lip gloss is just crazy. I have not had a chapped lip since I've been wearing my lip gloss, which is insane. So it's 12 noon and I'm just laying here. Yeah, I love my little pumpkin set. I love my little pumpkins. They look so cute. And my little sign says "Be Thankful," which is even cute. So I think at 12:30 I'm gonna get up, get some stuff straightened up, and then go to the credit union. And I think we're gonna go about 6:30, at least, because it close at 9. I'm treating him to bowling. So yeah, thought about doing a little bit of wine. Thought it was so like appropriate while I clean. Okay, so I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about these two shampoo and conditioner bottles that I have right here in front of you. These are Tea Tree by Maple Holistics, and I found these off of Instagram. This is not paid or sponsored, just letting you know. I just want to give you guys a little quick view and just be aware something went up with the audio in this clip, but everything else will get back to normal on the vlog for today. That actually on Instagram as we speak, and this is not sponsored or anything. I'm getting ready to take a shower and get ready, guys. But I just want to say I did not complete my full review. But this is the shampoo. The shampoo, the lavendering of the shampoo is so amazing, and it works very well, you guys. And it looks great. And just check out the purple. And even got my attention even more. It's definitely good for scalp. So if you have very bad scalp issues like mine, flakes are terrible. They're like the size of this. Like, that's how big my flakes are. And guys, I just got my braids last Saturday. So it's going to be a week of me having braids, you guys. And let's just say that the shampoo does well for my scalp. I seen one little flake today, and I made sure I oil it. Yesterday. That's the oil step that you guys saw. That me oil my scalp and everything. And then this is the conditioner. The conditioner is even amazing, you guys. The conditioner actually has a cooling tinting when you set on the scalp. So I set it on the scalp for like 5 minutes. And actually, I usually am like in a hurry to take out conditioner whenever I wash my hair. Never had an issue with conditioner, you guys. So I highly recommend it. This really looks like. Okay, Mom, put this in the background. This really looks like. And I'm making my soup. I love my pasta soup. I love that stuff so much. It's so good. Currently back at home, I just got comfortable and making my soup. And I'm going to go ahead and chill for a little bit, but into the bowling alley. So when we got back to the bowling alley, I just made some pizza. Just popped it in the oven. Me and my mom ate pizza for the night because she was still prepping for Thanksgiving. And yeah, so that was basically it. I calm you guys here and wash my face off. I did a little bit of, and that's chocolate. Did a little bit of makeup, so I'm just gonna wipe that off and do my little skincare routine, drinking a Pepsi. And I'm gonna end this vlog, and I will chat with you in the Thanksgiving vlog. Bye, guys.